Hi, this is Jack from Carl's Buick GMC. Just wanted to take a video of the 2017 Buick Cascada Premium Edition. As you see, absolutely beautiful car, the white with the black top. Real nice vehicle. Of course, it does have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seating, leather seating. It does have the cruise control, Bluetooth for the phone, has OnStar, has the forward collision alert, the rear collision alert. Real nice vehicle, nice little armrest here, slides forward, or the cup holders. Easy to operate the top. It goes up and down. Just lift this button right here up. You do have an auxiliary plug, also a USB port, along with a charger right up front here. You do have the backup camera. And you also have navigation here also. And the navigation and radio, and of course your Bluetooth, are all voice commanded. And if you do have any questions or like to schedule a test drive, my name is Jack. Please give me a call at 772-287-2424 and to set an appointment for a test drive. And I hope this video helped in your decision making. Thank you for watching it and have a great day.